Hello viewers, I am Thamizharasu, your business coach. Today we are embarking on enlightening journey into the world of Agile methodology. This methodology has revolutionized the way we handle the project management, especially in the tech industry. So buckle up and get ready to learn how Agile methodology could be a game changer for your business.
1. Understanding the concept of Agile methodology. Agile methodology isn't a mere tool, but a philosophy. It's an iterative approach to project management and software development, where teams collaborate to evolve solutions and requirements. Unlike traditional, rigid methods, Agile encourages flexibility and customer satisfaction through continuous improvement and rapid response to changes. 2. The history and evolution of Agile methodology. The Agile movement began in the early 2000s when 17 software developers, fed up with the traditional project management approach, coined the term. They drafted the Agile Manifesto, which has since been a fundamental guide for many organizations. This methodology has evolved over time to fit various project scopes and sizes, marking its significant advancement. 3. Core principles and values of Agile methodology. Agile methodology is built on 4 primary values: individuals and interactions over processes and tools, working software over comprehensive documentation, customer collaboration over contract negotiation, and responding to change over following a plan. These values are further expanded into 12 principles, which guide the Agile practices. 4. Differentiating Agile methodology from traditional project management approaches. Traditional project management approaches, like waterfall, are sequential: design, development, testing, and deployment. On the flip side, Agile is iterative and allows teams to manage a project by breaking it into several stages. Feedback is integral to each stage, allowing for continuous refinement and improvement. Flexibility. Agile allows for changes in project requirements at any stage. Customer-focused. The end user is involved throughout the development process, ensuring higher customer satisfaction. Collaboration. Agile promotes team collaboration and daily communications, making sure every team member is on the same page. 5. Key frameworks of Agile methodology. Agile methodology is not a one-size-fits-all approach. It hosts several frameworks like Scrum, Kanban, and Lean. Each framework has its strengths, tailored to fit different types of projects. Understanding these frameworks helps in determining the best fit for your organization's needs. Scrum. This framework divides work into sprints, usually lasting a couple of weeks, with daily meetings for progress updates and retrospectives to review what went well and what didn't after each sprint. The beauty of Scrum is its focus on continuous improvement, allowing teams to learn from each sprint and adjust their approach accordingly. Kanban. Originally a scheduling system for Toyota's manufacturing plants, Kanban is all about visual management. Work items are represented as cards on a board, which are moved from one column to the next as they progress through the workflow. This gives everyone a clear visual snapshot of the project status at any given time. Lean. Lean development is all about maximizing value and minimizing waste. It's about streamlining your processes, cutting the fat, and delivering the most value possible to your customers. Like Kanban, Lean also originated in the manufacturing industry, but its principles are widely applicable and can be very effective when used in software development. 6. The role of Agile methodology in software development. In software development, Agile methodology has been a game changer. It enables developers to deliver value faster with higher quality. Through frequent iterations, teams can focus on high-value features first and adapt to changes quickly. 7. Benefits of implementing Agile methodology in business operations. Adopting Agile in your business operations can reap rich dividends. It fosters a culture of collaboration, enhances customer satisfaction, increases project control, and reduces risks associated with development. 8. Challenges and solutions in adopting the Agile methodology. Like any approach, Agile isn't free of challenges. It requires a cultural shift and collaboration, among others. However, With the right training and mindset, these challenges can be overcome, paving the way for a more efficient and responsive project management approach. 9 Case Study. Let's look at a successful implementation of Agile. Spotify, a popular music streaming platform, adopted Agile to deliver new features to users quickly. They broke their developers into squads, each focusing on a specific feature, achieving incredible results. IBM is a tech giant with a diverse portfolio of products and services, and a massive, globally dispersed team. The company used to rely heavily on traditional project management methods, which made it challenging to deliver projects on time and within budget. However, everything changed when IBM decided to adopt Agile. 10 Future Perspectives. The future for Agile methodology looks bright. As firms seek to accelerate their digital transformation initiatives, the need for an approach that allows quick, incremental changes is essential. Agile is at the heart of it. That wraps up our comprehensive guide to Agile methodology. Remember, Agile is more than just a methodology, it's a mindset, a culture, and a tool for change. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more insights and business strategies. Together, let's learn and grow.